Ladies and gentlemen, this next bout is 8 rounds under minimum weight category, presented to you by Antonio Cos ATK Promotions. Ladies and gentlemen, this boxing event is sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board Chairman Attorney Francisco J. Rivera, Assistant Chief of Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Kenner Soa. He has an excellent professional record consisting of 6 victories, 3 defeats, 2 bouts even, with 2 of his victories coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing Bebot Elorne Boxing Gym of Santa Rita, Sucat, Parañaque City, introducing Ramsey Mondala. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing a white with yellow, official weight 107.8 pounds. He has also an excellent professional record consisting of 7 victories, only 1 defeat with 1 bout even. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly representing ATK Promotions of Masbate, introducing Arvin John Sampaga. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Alianeta. Round number 1.
Marangan kita. Tinunga. Mapagod terus balik ka. Guys! Ipagdagan ha. Ipagdagan lagi.
And number round number 1.
Why sakit? Why sakit? Why sakit? Why sakit? Why sakit? Ayaw po kudungi! Ayaw po kudungi! rin ito. Bakit nakatas mo rin rin? Uy, sakit! Tunggu-tunggu! Magiging lamang ka! Natin na! Sisabay na! Sige! Sige! Pagpaki na! Sige na! Tirang lang ka na!
End of the bout. Ladies and gentlemen, after 8 rounds of professional boxing, we will go to the scorecards. But before anything else, a round of applause for these two warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, judges Salvador Lopez and Oliver Garcia both scored about 78-74. And Judge Gerald Dumeldan has it 79-73 for your winner by unanimous decision, Arvin Sambaga.